Guys, welcome to my channel again, Siki's Adventure. Now we're actually going to a very nice place called Rajac, where there's a really nice mountaineering house, good food and stuff, and good nature, nice curves and or curbs. I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to see the setup of this microphone and the camera in front, so we'll see how that works. Now we're going to record. Up, here's recording. Hey, I'm here. Okay, so that will be the Hero 4 at 4K in the front and no stabilization. Let's see how that works. And as usual, I have my DJI action camera on my helmet with the microphone hooked up for better sound, hopefully. Okay, so now I'm get my gloves on. You see, put my gloves on and oops, do like this, and then we're off to the races, off to the actual buildings. I'll put my visor down. Let's go. So let's go. Nice turns. You see now. Let's go. Okay. Now. Good. Hi. Now, let's see how that works. It's pretty close, the exit to the right, and then we'll get to those nice turns and cross the iron bridge. It's just somewhat a little bit sleepy because last night was a poor dog howling. I don't know, my suspicion is it's either old, so it's dying, so it's howling, or maybe the owner, God forbid, is dead, so the dog is sad because of the owner dying. So I don't know. You know, I'm a light sleeper, so it took me actually a long time to fall asleep. That's the problem with me. We'll see. Hope everything's okay. For one moment I thought that actually we have wolves in the neighborhood, which is, well, could be, but highly unlikely because the forest is not that close. It is kind of close-ish, but not that close. Okay, now we're going to this place called B-A. Whoa, look at these nice clouds. Look at the clouds there. Oh, here's the first bridge. Haha. Okay, we have to be careful now. Here we're going to put it up to urban mode, so for better response. Kadina Luka. Okay, here comes the turns. Now this is just the beginning. There'll be nice turns here. And whoa, this is all from yesterday's rain. By the way, it's really crappy weather. Well, not crappy, but rainy yesterday. A few days in a row. There was some massive rainfall. You see the river, which is really Pickwish, as my friend Jack says, rose so much that I believe, we'll see. I believe in some parts actually flooded the banks. Oh, it's not bad now. Sorry, I'm yawning. I said to you, I was sleeping bad last couple of nights, but I think it has something to do with the phone being on. Honestly, I'm going to try switching the phone off tonight, and I think I'll sleep better. But let's see. We'll test my theory. Yep. Nice nature after the rain, all washed clean. The crops are large and growing. However, the question is whether the rain was on time, whether there was too much drought. But who's to See? So we're going to go left. Look at these old houses. Yep, this way. Now, small river. Okay. Now I think we went through this neighborhood, so I have it filmed. I'll film a little bit more, and then I'm going to switch off that camera. Let's switch off this camera for sure. See ya. Now we're going through this village, and soon there'll be really nice turns happening. Yeah, and from here on there'll be nice turns. Yep. Here it comes. Starting at the post office. This village is a bit picturesque. So it's it. Called Rajac, R-A-J-A-C. Some hilltop, almost mountain. Lots of people actually go there for not kite surfing, but kiting, because there's winds. There are winds that are actually really good for that sport. I gotta be careful because of the runoff. Yep. See? So we're gonna be careful about this runoff, because you can slide very easily. You don't want that. See? Whoa. Whoa. There we go. Look at this, man. Whoa. First gear, man. Whoop. Nice, see? Those are the hilltops where they do the kiting and paragliding. Yep. There you go. Oops, wide turn, but still okay, we're okay. Third gear is fine because there's no need to switch second, third, second. So it's fine. Of course, because it's still kind of straight, but see, oh, look at this. Whoa, this is a bit interesting. Yeah, runoff. Yep, have to be careful here. Yep, there we go. You see, like this. Yep. Like that, you can go now a little bit down left in the direction. If they do, yeah, it did. So, be careful. Hey kitty cat, that was my loud horn. Honestly, it actually saved me in a way. A few times people don't pay attention, and when I blast it, then they actually smarten up and pay attention. So I'm adamant about, I subscribe to the notion that loud pipes are not stabilized with horns, visibility, you being visible to the other members of the traffic, participants of traffic. That actually helps you more than loud pipes. And obviously, riding culture. People not knowing actually how to ride, and the other participants of traffic knowing and paying attention that they are us, we exist. We as motorists, you know. Yep, there we go. This is actually quite interesting. Whoa. This always, very frequently, this turn always gives me some little bit of issues, but it's okay. We're good. It is a sharp tin. It's good for practicing. See, you're good now. Good, you're good. Nice turn, see? Whoa. No, wait a second here. Yeah. Lean in, lean in, lean in, lean in. This is a sharp turn. Very sharp though. That was a bit worried. First key is good. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna experiment. Experiment. Well, see, that way, this way. Here's kind of interesting. We have to go this way. Yep. This way. Wow. Pretty exciting. Here first, yeah. Hoppa. Yeah, almost there. We're almost there. We are almost there. So now, right here, okay. And now, right here. Lean it, lean it, lean it, lean it, lean it, lean it, lean it. Lean it now. Lean it, lean it. Good. So, wow. Whoa. Yep, almost there. Yep. Now, bikers, man. That's interesting. Okay. Well, hi. Well, the sound might be odd because my microphone's in the helmet, but I made it to my destination, which is this, as I said to you, mountaineering kind of hotel or bed and breakfast. Well, bed and breakfast, I would say. And it's oddly empty because usually it's packed. See, nobody's here. There are people here for lunch. They enjoy it, but today, apparently, because summer's here and the season started, people are kind of not avoiding, but like missing this place. I think that's a mistake. It's an unbelievable place. I'm gonna have my mineral water, Knyaz Miloš. That's the one, the one and only. I'm gonna have that first, and then get my gear up and try to leave my helmet and jacket here at the reception, and go play with the drone. Get some practice under my sleeve, and I hear actually. I saw a couple of guys on enduro bikes here, so I might catch them riding, but no bikers, just a few cars. Anywho, or anyhow, that's it for now. And when I get home, I'll check how the audio is now when I reposition the microphone. And I'll just shut up for a second. You can hear it chirping. There, guys. See? They're there. Right there. See? But just listen to this. Peace and quiet. Tranquility. There's more. There we go. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to have my drinky and relax. Ciao. Okay, boys and girls. We're going to go now home. Hold up.
Šta ste jeli? Pita me, da li ste zadovoljni?
Da.
Šta ste naručili?
Ja sam punjenu onu leskovačku mućkalicu.
Aha, jel okej?
Jeste. Dobra je klopa ovdje.
Dobra.
Ja obično jedem onaj svadbarski kupus. Skoro stalno, to mi se sviđa. A malo je toplo jedem, pa sam treba promeniti. Imaju dobru klopu. Mislim jednostavno, ali dobro.
Pa normalno.
Da.
Ne, teo sam pa sam, da vas ne prekidam.
Ne, ja sam već 4-5 puta imao kupus.
Ja kažem, ovo gospodin koji je, kaže da, ja čekaj da ga pitam.
Dobri su?
Da.
Dobri su, da.
Nisam bio, ja sam ovdje prvo planinarska duša, sam stari planinar. Ovdje kao klinac sam prvi put bio ovdje.
Da.
Ovdje sad nisam bio bukvalno jedno 15 godina. I promenilo se ovo što su bile stare
Pa
bungalovi.
tužno, ovo da ima ovo poštansko odmaralište koje neće kupi niko. Kažem, ovo poštansko odmaralište, to je od pošte.
Da.
Propast zgrade bez veze.
Ne, ja sam ovdje dolazio,
No.
mi smo tu dolazili ovdje okupljeni, po 2-3 dana smo bili, ali ne. Ajde uzdravlje i sve.
Doviđenja, hvala. Okay, so let's go. It's gonna be funny. I'm laughing because I'm used to was riding the Beamer. I was used to his switchgear, its switchgear, and it's very different from the one that I have on the Honda now. Yep. Careful. Sorry. So let's go. Like this. Good. I'm just going to record these turns, and from the base I'm going to switch it off because what's the point? Already been here, but this is, as I said, just a test of the sound and how that works. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh. Alright, this is the way to the waterfall, which is very interesting. I was there before, about 2 years ago. I enjoyed it. But it's what, it's 4 o'clock almost, which is good. 1/6. Yep. Whoa. There is a steep hill, but also the turns are really sharp, so like that. Okay. Let's see if I can do it in second gear. I think I can, because going down, oh, I gotta put in first. That's weird. Well, maybe not. What is this? Like that. Okay. Good. So this way. Good. This way. This way. Alright. Now, whoop. Let's see. Yep. This is the one that's really risky. Like this. Cool. That's it now. I'm going down. When I get down, if you go into the highway, I'm going to stop, tape the camera off, and that's it for recording for today. Enjoy the music. Yep. Whoop. Okay. It's fine. That's not bad. Show. Let me show you.